Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to make delicious vegetarian burger tikki at home using an easy method. We will start by gathering fresh vegetables, then boil and mash them to create our base. Next, we will add aromatic spices and binding agents for perfect flavor and texture. Finally, we will form the mixture into patties and shallow fry them until they are golden brown and wonderfully crispy. It is a simple and satisfying recipe. Let's begin with our vegetable preparation. First, boil 2 medium-sized potatoes until they are perfectly tender. Simultaneously, steam 1 cup of fresh green peas and 1/2 cup of finely chopped carrots. Once cooked, mash the boiled potatoes, peas, and carrots thoroughly together in a large bowl. It is important to ensure the mixture is smooth, with no large lumps, and to drain any excess water for the best texture. Now, let's add some fantastic flavor and shape our tikkis. Mix in 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste for a fragrant aroma. Add 1/2 teaspoon of red chili powder and salt to taste, adjusting to your preference. Incorporate 2 tablespoons of corn flour or breadcrumbs. This acts as a binding agent. Combine all ingredients well to form a cohesive mixture. Finally, divide the mixture into 8 equal portions and flatten them into perfectly round tikkis. It's time to cook and enjoy our delicious tikkis. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a non-stick pan over medium heat. Carefully place the tikkis in the hot oil, ensuring you do not overcrowd the pan. Shallow fry them for approximately 3 minutes on each side. Cook until both sides are beautifully golden brown and wonderfully crispy. Serve the hot tikkis immediately in a burger bun with your favorite toppings, like fresh lettuce, tomatoes, and a tangy sauce. Enjoy your homemade veggie burgers.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.